content standard addressed in this lesson is the 8th grade History Standard Number 1, Develop an Understanding of How People View, Construct, and Interpret History. The technology standard addressed in this lesson is Number 4, Critical Thinking, Problem Solving, and Decision Making. Letter C, Collect and analyze data to identify solutions and make informed decisions. The lesson objectives for this lesson are to use and interpret documents and other relevant primary and secondary sources pertaining to United States history from multiple perspectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to interpret historical documents by using technology. This will allow them to come to a general conclusion based on the information given. Materials needed for this assignment are netbooks, primary documents, daily journals, paper, and pencil. To begin this lesson, students will be asked a few inquiry questions. This will allow the teacher to assess how much prior knowledge the students have on the topic. The class will then watch a short video that gives the students further background information about the removal of Native Americans. The class will then be split up into groups of 4 or 5 and be given one primary source related to Native Americans and one primary source relating to white settlers during the time of westward expansion. Each group will then be asked to get a netbook and then as a group find one more document on the computer that relates to the same topic. By using both primary and secondary sources, students will interpret the information and come to a general consensus on what group they feel had best rationale for their actions. Each group will be given 3 minutes to explain to the class in debate format the reasoning behind their conclusion. After each group has finished presenting their information, they will grab their daily journal and write a one-paragraph summary of the main points discussed in class. For homework, the students will be asked to find more information on an important historical figure that is relevant during the removal of Native Americans. The students will then bring that information to class the following day and share with their classmates. To differentiate this lesson, the teacher can have students that grasp concepts easily work with students that may have trouble. This allows for peer tutoring, which is beneficial for struggling students. For assessment, the students will be asked to answer a few questions as their ticket out the door. The questions they will be asked are, Number 1, why did the settlers want to push Native Americans off their land? Give 2 specific examples. And 2, give 2 reasons as to why the Native Americans were resilient to give up their land. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching.